Hello, YouTube. I've been noticing something about uh, feedback on my videos here on this side. As you know, I'm uploading videos a lot, and I've noticed that around maybe 1,000, 2,000 people on average watch my videos, and in almost all of my videos, there is someone who dislikes my video. I mean, in the past few videos, there's only one dislike, as in one. I noticed that as soon as I post the video, I mean, within a few seconds, there's one dislike. I've been noticing that in my past videos. If you look at my list of videos, you will notice there's always one dislike, at least one, no? And I'm wondering, what's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? Obviously, there's this guy who doesn't really like me so much. I mean, doesn't matter what my videos are. Dislike, as long as Kumikero makes a new video, dislike. Well, let me give you an example. In my recent video about me asking if there's anyone there from Algeria, the video lasted for just maybe 20 seconds. Somebody disliked it. I mean, what's to dislike about that video? What is wrong with that video? I'm just asking people if anyone there is from Algeria, and this guy disliked it. What's to dislike about it? It's crazy. It's
He doesn't like you.
he doesn't like me. Okay. I don't like you too! I don't like you! I don't like you! I just find it funny. Okay, I actually don't care. Well, maybe slightly because I'm making a video. But really, I find you funny. Till next time, YouTube. Goodbye.